Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and today I'm stopping by to share a sheet load of cards that I made. There are several that I have missed out on doing, I took a little break from them, but still love them. So today I am using the December 2021 sheet load of cards. If you haven't heard of them, they are from Call Me Crafty Owl. I will have her channel linked below, and I will link to the playlist for this particular sheet load. She gives you a sketch, what you need, the dimensions, how many cards it'll yield, and then a cutting guide on the back. Very easy to make some cards. For this sheet load, I pulled out the Mini Remix Happy stamp set from the Greeting Farm. I used some Gina Marie Designs white enamel dots. And then I went in and got out some of my hoarded paper many years ago. What got me into stamping and card making was the Angel Company. I was an angel, which means I sold it for several years. Excuse me, loved it so much. And I have quite a bit of hoarded paper. I absolutely love the paper, but today I dug into my stash and figured it's time to start using it. So I used the Kaleidoscope Brights. And I think that I also just discovered, I don't know how I didn't know it, that the paper was made by Basic Grace. That might explain why I like it so much. So this sheet load did yield 9 cards. And here are my cute cards. So I have 2 of that design. I have 3 of that one. I have 2 of that one. And then 2 of that one. So let's take a closer look at these. So it says just a note. There's those papers, those dots, colored it up. And on the inside is just a banner. So again, I had 2 of that little girl. She's just so cute. I had 2 of this one. I went with blues and greens for their outfits because I felt there was enough pink in the paper. I had 2 of that one. And they all have the same little like banner on the inside. And then I chose to do 3 of this one. She's just so cute with her little purse. And so that is my December 2021. Is that what I just said? Yeah, December 2021 sheet load of cards. Again, everything is in the description. Not sure if anything other than the dots is available. I don't know if the stamp set's still available, but if it is, I will link it down below. Thanks so much for stopping by, and until my next video, go do something for yourself and go get crafty. Bye-bye.